seafarers identification documents. First, open DigiShipping bsid.in. See, I'm opening in my laptop screen. Very easy. Just go to your browser and then the first option you need to click on BSID login. Okay, the link I'll give you in the description below. Now put your Windows and password, the same Windows and password which you are using for your DigiShipping profile login. If you want to see how to correct your DigiShipping profile and how to register your profile, you can get both the videos in my I button and description below. Now click on apply SID. See, very easy process. SID, then this all the documents automatically verify and updated. Then you just need to rectify some details. Just check if all the details are same, then you should go continue. You need to put your address over here, all the address you put, and after filling details like address, test, phone number, now see all continuation. See, have you ever applied before? No. Have you? No, 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 means you are not rejected before, right? Passport and CDC you need to then continue. Okay, now this is declaration form. You just tick in the box I agree to the declaration above and submit. Now see, check all the details, cross verify definitely, and then submit. Okay, see, this is the form. You need to take print out, print report. Just take on PDF copy, save and save a PDF right from your browser, and you need to take a printout of this application form. And see, this is your application form. Just need to save it like that. Okay, this part is over. Now 300 rupees you need to payment. You just go to make payment and pay like with your net banking or debit card, credit card, whatever it is, you can pay. See, the payment has been completed. You will see the success, and then go for the schedule appointment, or you can check application status. See, your online application for SID card has been successfully submitted. Now go to the schedule appointment. Okay, and appointment center, you can choose your nearest MMD, suppose here Chennai. Now you will get all the time slots and date for next 15 days. Suppose today is 12th, you will get the next date from 27th. So you can choose whatever required, and you can change it after 3 times without any payment. But if you want to change more than 3 times, then you need to pay again and submit, and click the print acknowledgement. And take PDF copy and print out later on. So you need to take print acknowledgement, your print report, and your original passport and CDC, and make sure that date of birth and place of birth both are same as in the passport and CDC. Date of birth definitely it will be same, but place of birth sometimes it might vary, so you must take both CDC, passport and place of birth must be same in the both